Let's do some tapping and Qigong to get energized and motivated for the day. Starting tapping on the inner eyes. I am ready for an amazing day. Outer eye, I feel healthy. Under eye, I feel motivated. Upper lip, I feel strong. Chin, ready to take on the day. Collarbone, I let go of fear. Underarm, I let go of stress. Top of the head, and I let go of any negativity that will hold me back. Inner eye, I am in charge of this day. Outer eye, my body is energized. Under eye, my mind is clear. Upper lip, I attract positivity. Chin, everything I want and need comes to me easily. Collarbone, I am a magnet for everything that is good. Underarm, I'm aligned with my soul purpose. And top of the head, there are no limits to what I can achieve. Now using your fingertips, just gently tap up and down the front of the face. This helps to get blood flow to the face, get some energy moving, and also stimulate all those acupressure points along the face. And then make a V with your fingers, and you're going to place your ears in between and rub up and down pretty vigorously. So you just want to create some heat, create some energy. This is just going to help wake up the body, wake up the mind. And then go ahead and squeeze and pull the ears away from the scalp. And then we'll begin tapping on the scalp, so working all the way from the front of the head all the way to the base of the head. So we're just stimulating blood flow and energy to our mind, so helping our brain so it can function optimally. Now we're going to do the crown pull, so placing your fingers together, you're going to pull apart your crown chakra, so opening up the top of your head, allowing energy to flow in. This also allows negative energy to flow out or mental congestion, and opening us up for inspiration and creativity. Now we'll begin our full body tapping, so really to activate our energy, so give your chest a nice thump. This also helps with our immune system. And then we're going to go ahead and tap down our arms and back up. We'll do that 3 times. And then 9 taps on the inside of our elbow. And then inside our armpit. And repeat on the other side. Then tapping on our lungs all the way down to our reproductive organs. Just gentle tapping, don't hurt yourself. And then moving down the outside of our legs, and then coming back up the inside of our legs. Again, doing all of this about 3 times. And then moving down the front of our legs, and up the back, and then you're just going to give a nice tap to your kidneys. Then we're going to just tap or lightly knock on your kidneys. So your kidneys are really important for your vitality, for your energy, so we're just making sure that they're getting blood flow and energy. And then go ahead and let your arms hang loose beside you, and you're going to swing your arms from side to side, just letting them knock across the lower abdomen and the lower back. As we hit across the lower abdomen and the lower back, we're hitting pressure points that are really great for energy and vitality. Then moving your arms up, you're going to lightly tap or knock across your chest, right on your lungs. So again, we're just activating our energy flow, just making sure there's no stagnation in our body. And then go ahead and begin. We're going to just shake it off. So we're going to just shake our entire body. So just let your arms go limp, let your legs shake, just shake anything you can. This is going to help with lymph movement, with blood flow, with energy flow, but it's also really good for letting go of any stress or any fear or anger that you're holding in. So just think about whatever it is that's holding you back and just shake it off. And go ahead and stop, and you're going to bring your arms together like you're holding a ball of energy. You should actually feel your energy between your hands. It should be kind of pulling you together and pushing you apart. So really concentrate on that energy, really feel it. Now taking that energy we just cultivated in the surrounding energy, and we're just going to pull that in and push it down the center of our body, all the way down to our lower dantian. So go ahead and breathe in, pull in all the energy, and breathe out and push it down the center of your body. Now imagine that little glowing ball of energy and just go ahead and place it back into your lower dantian. And just store it for the day, store it for later use. Just knowing that you cultivated all this energy, this vitality. So take a couple deep breaths in, slow breaths out. Visualize that little glowing ball of energy and know that you just created that. If you can do that, you can do anything. So get ready to take on the day. Thank you for practicing with me.